I woke up today and I rode on out of town. It's time for me to leave the world. It's come unwind.
Good morning, WEI-TV weather fans. Thank you for joining us for another weekly weather broadcast. Let's go ahead and take a look at last week's weather. It was kind of an interesting week. We started off fairly cold last Saturday. We actually had some scattered and isolated frost in parts of the northern hill country. But we warmed up through the rest of the week. We remained dry, unfortunately. But overall, a nice week. High temperatures were in the 70s and lows were in the 40s and 50s. But on Wednesday night, we had a strong cold front that came through and ushered in some much colder air for the last part of the week into Thursday and Friday. And we got down highs in the 60s and lows in the 40s. Unfortunately, we remain dry, and let's go ahead and take a look at October's rainfall estimates. Okay, we're taking a look here at the map of radar rainfall estimates for the month of October 2011. Just to give you a little scale of what we're looking at, this is the Bexar County, San Antonio area. We go farther west, we go into Valverde County, and then farther north we're looking into the northern portion of the hill country. We had some beneficial rainfall in October, as you can see here. We have in the yellow and reds, we have anywhere from about 3 inches to about 6 inches of rainfall across the eastern portion of the hill country, and even in parts of the western hill country we have some nice rainfall amounts. The green amounts are a little lower, around 1 to 2 inches, and certainly there was some very beneficial rainfall we got, and somewhat unexpected, but we can have anomalies here in Texas even when we have a dry pattern like La Nina. Let's go ahead and take a look at another graphic and see the departure from normal. Again, just to give you a little reference of where we're at, this is Bexar County, San Antonio area. Anywhere you see green and gray in the southern part of the hill country and in the northern part of the hill country is monthly departures from normals where we are actually exceeding the normal, and again for the October time frame. So we had a lot more rainfall in the southern portion of the hill country as well as the northern part of the hill country, where we generally remained above normal for the month of October, and then into across a good portion of Kendall County in the central part of the hill country we remained below normal. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weather forecast this coming week. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather forecast today, this weekend, and into the following week. Like I said earlier, we had a cold front that went through Wednesday night. That ushered in a lot of cold air, and we saw the coldest air temperatures of the season so far this morning. Some locations got well below the freezing mark. The upper part of the hill country saw upper 20s. The central part of the hill country saw around the freezing mark, and then the eastern parts of the hill country along the I-35 corridor remained above the freezing mark. So certainly some locations did get cold. Question becomes, what's going to happen this weekend into the early part of next week? We're going to have a big upper level wave start to approach us early next week, and that's going to allow us to warm up this weekend into the 70s and lows in the 40s this weekend. But are we going to get wet? It looks like we have actually a pretty decent shot Monday night into Tuesday for some rainfall. Right now, rainfall amounts look to be about 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch, and things can change, and we'll keep you updated on any big changes. But yes, it looks like we're going to see some rainfall around the area Monday night into Tuesday. Looks like our best chance. Maybe some drizzle on Sunday as well. Then that system will move off to the east, and we'll have a cold front that goes through, so we'll go back down into the 60s for the highs and 40s for the lows for the rest of the week. And we'll keep you posted with any big changes. Thank you for tuning in to WEI-TV this week. I'm meteorologist David Knollhoff.
Boys, we will drink all night until the sun comes up and everything's alright. Keep on coming till we pass out on the floor. Wake us with another round and half a dozen more.
Do something.
Hey everybody, it's David Knollhoff. I'm over here going to show you all the weather over today in the hill country valley of the Texas Longhorn country. We got some warming coming in, but it's going to be dry, so don't take out your raincoats. There'll be no need for them. Frost will be coming up, and Old Man Winter will pay a visit to your house, and he'll be an unwanted guest. Wednesday night, we got this thing coming in. It looks like the tail of a dinosaur, but really, folks, all it is just a warm front and a cool front meeting together, and there might be some tornadic activity only on the lake. You can expect warm fronts and cold fronts to be moving in. Your kids will be upset because all the Halloween candy's gone, and they won't be able to dress up until Christmas. Thank you, and everybody. Have a blessed, wonderful holiday season. This is David Knollhoff signing off. So needless to say, everybody, there'll be dry and warm weather, and there'll be rain coming in, but only on your neighbor's yard. Whew. That was hard. What is this thing anyway? Oh my goodness.
Hey, what's going on here?
Hey!
Yeah, I think let's skedaddle here. And remember, you're the environmentalitarian, and I am the local meteorologist. Wow. Trying to get things back in order around here is a little tough sometimes and challenging, but I'm up to the job. Yep, definitely.